Yo guys, because I've not been trading this week and my Twitter is really quiet, I thought it'll be a good idea to create another tutorial video. And for this video, I want to talk about the EURUSD bounce that happened today. Two of my friends actually got it that I've been speaking to on WhatsApp, and then because I've been trying to stay disciplined, I'm just not trading anymore, right? So anyway, let's talk about this bounce right there and how you could have gotten a really good RR with that. Okay. So I'm starting with the daily. Okay, we see we do have a structure break, right? So I'm just gonna mark it right there. We do have that structure break on the daily, right? So on a downtrend, and then we finally broke the structure, went up, created a higher high, and so on and so on and so on. And yeah, so let's go to the 4 hour. And one thing I'd like to mark as well, these equal highs, which will get accounted for. I'm not saying it's gonna happen now, but I don't know when, but it is gonna account for those equal highs. Yeah, it's gonna like break that. Anyways, into the 4 hour next. What do we see? So we have this low. Okay, we have this low, and before any strong bounce, I'd like to see that low get taken out. And so I'm just gonna get rid of the daily now. So what happened there? This low actually did get taken out. Okay, let me just mark that. This low did get taken out right there. Okay, now going into the I don't know, 1 hour time frame, just to make it quick, right? Just keep it like under 3 minutes or something, or even like the 30-minute time frame. That's why we're having the 30-minute. Okay, so in the 30-minute, like we saw impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, and then this entire move down is really corrective and really compressed, right? So I know to see any upwards movements, I'd want to see a break of that line first, right? So what happened there? Just from here, I can see like equal lows as well, right? So equal lows, structure break, come back up, retest, and then up we go. So let's try and figure out how we could have got that in the 1 minute will be way too back, but let's try the 3 minute. Okay. Okay, so look at this. As we're approaching that zone right there, we started forming some sort of lows, right? Some sort of equal lows right there, right? So some sort of support, right? So we had that support, and then we see an aggressive move down into that zone. We clear out those lows and then come back up. So once we come back up above the support, okay, I'd want to like look for my order blocks within this move up here. Okay, so let's try and find that. Okay, so my yeah, so now we know is like all I know is I want to take a long, right? So my first order block is right there, right there, and my second zone is right there. Okay, so from this candle to there, so that last candle. Why? Because we actually broke structure in this candle, right? And we never came back to retest it. So let's see what happened. Okay, okay, so first zone right there, depending on what entry you take, we're gonna look at the RR for both entries, and the second zone is right there. So I'd usually place my, wait 1 second, so I'd place my order 1 there and order 2 there. Okay, and then a stop loss under this wick or under the candle close. It's your call. Okay, so let's look at the RR we could get. Okay, so let's, I longed right there. Okay, long right there, stop loss under the candle close. Okay, and target, so again, I'm not good at targets, and let's just look at where the price is now. Obviously in a higher time frame, probably the 1 hour time frame, my targets would be this high right there. Okay, so that high right there. Okay, but where price is right now, let's take that as our target, for example. And let's go back into the 5-minute now. Okay, so we would have a 4.3 pip stop loss, a sniper entry, and yeah, a 7-hour trade in 1 day. Crazy, isn't it? And if we would have taken this entry right there, okay, stop loss under there, it will be a 4-hour trade. Maybe not, but yeah. So yeah, a 4-hour trade, which is insane again for like 1 day. Imagine getting like 7%, like risk 2% of your portfolio, get 14% back. Risk 1%, get like 7% back. Insane, right? So yeah, that was EURUSD today, and how you could have gotten this bounce. Yeah, thanks for watching.